Hello everyone, welcome to Networker Stream. Today I'm going to discuss about Unix. Actually, Unix is first developed in 1979. In between 1979 to 1980 by AT&T Dell Labs, and after that it has been overtaken by BSD, which is Berkeley distribution software company, and after that it get into into the market. Like from that time onwards, students are also using this operating system, and after that HP, IBM, and Solaris, all these companies made their own flavors with the help of Unix. HP introduced like HP UX, and IBM introduced AX, like that. And after that, Linus is the guy from Finland. This guy developed Linux based on Unix, and it is like free use, right? So everyone can able to make their own flavors. Actually, just let me talk about a few things about Unix. First, it is a free OS. It is a free OS. You can download it from internet, and you can install in your VMware or VirtualBox, whatever it may be, and you can use this one. And one more thing, and it is a open source code. The source code is open, so whoever would like to make their own flavor, they can do it. So source code is open. And one more thing is it is multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system, which means multiple tasks can be simultaneously executed. So that's why it is called multitasking operating system. And it uses both CLI and GUI. CLI means command line interface, and GUI means graphical user interface. First of all, basics I would like to touch up here. So first, I would like to give you a brief about file and directory. File is nothing but normal file which we can uh, which you can execute, or which you can write something in that file. And that is like normal file, as you know, in Windows, right? We have a text file, we have a word file. So the same way. And directory is also a kind of file, but the thing is, in Windows perspective, it is called a folder. So Windows perspective, we call it as folder. Okay, so first we will see how to create a directory. What is the command to create a directory? Mkdir is the command to create a directory. Normally what we do, in Windows, just normally we do right click and new, and we create a new folder there. So here we have the same option here, but same option here. Let me take you through my Ubuntu, so that you will have some knowledge what I am speaking about. This is my Ubuntu VM. Uh, so this is my terminal, and this is the graphical user interface. If you want to create new folder, yes, you can create dir1. So this is directory 1, which I have created on my desktop, correct? So the same way, so from the command line also you can do it. Mkdir dir2. Once you create that one, automatically directory 2 will get created. But where it will get created, see, the directory 1 is, by default I have created from on the desktop through with the help of graphical user interface, so that's why it has been created over here. But in the command line, even though I did it, but you cannot see the same file in the on the desktop. Why? Okay, so the problem here is, first, we have a command called pwd. Pwd is nothing but present working directory, which you could see your present working directory, current working directory. So where are you? You are in slash home slash admin folder, admin directory. Okay, so folder in Windows we call it as folder, but whereas in Linux you call it as directory. Okay, so mkdir dir2 you have created, I mean directory 2 you have created. So where exactly it is, we have to see where it is. So if you create ls here, it is dir2 has been created over here. Dir2 is created over here. So okay, so okay, dir2 is created in uh, slash home slash admin folder, but admin directory, but our actual dir1 is in our desktop directory. So what you need to do is you have to get into desktop. So desktop, so once you go to desktop, you can see dir1 there. So actually if you want to create directory here, so you have to get into desktop and then you have to create directory 2. So once you create mkdir dir2, automatically your directory will get created on your desktop. So okay, so as you can you might have said like can we able to create directory from one folder, when we are in one location, can we able to create directory in another location? Yes, you can able to create. As of now we are in slash home slash admin directory, but I would like to you know cre- create a folder in uh, slash home slash admin slash desktop directory. So yes, you could do that with the help of mkdir. You need to just give a location, desktop. There you want to create dir3. Once you've done that, even though you are in slash home slash admin, but still you can create your directory in another location where on desktop. So this is the command. So the command to create directory is mkdir, and if you want to create any name like so you can create dc1, so automatically dc1 will get created. Okay, till now we have seen how to create a directory. So I would like to create a file. So there are two things, right? We have talked about, one is a folder and one is directory. So mkdir and name is the command to create a directory. So the other command is mkdir and location of the file slash your folder name, your sorry directory name. So once you've done that, you can create your directory. Now, so what is the command to create a file? What is the command to create? Okay, how to what is the command to create a file? Basically normally we use touch command. Touch command is used to create a file. The command will be touch file1.txt. So touch, so where you are, pwd, your present working directory is slash home slash admin. So here I'm going to create, so I will go into desktop. I will create an empty file. I'll create an empty file. The command is touch file1.txt, file1.txt. So if you see it, automatically file1.txt has been created on the file1. Yeah, you don't worry about the slash home slash admin. I will get you through what is the file system, what is the so I will explain you how it works. Okay. um, okay, so which so everyone has one doubt, which is better to, whether CLI is better or GUI is better. Most of you people think GUI is better, but but the issue with the GUI is, if you want to create multiple folders, you need to do multiple things. Like, for suppose I have to create 10 folders here. So I would like to create 10 folders here, so I have to create new folder. Again here, I can create new folder, so 100 times I have to do it. But if I would like to create, like, from 4 till 20 folders I would like to create, so I'll do with only one single command. So your command would be mkdir dir for only two dots and then 20. Yeah, once you've done that, you can create a directories from 4 till 20. So you don't need to do multiple things, you don't need to have to make multiple changes or multiple actions. You don't need to do. So just with the help of only one command, you can able to create 20 directories or 20 files, how create. So this is the advantage. So so which one is easy now, tell me. So CLI will be very easy thing, as you don't need to perform multiple multiple actions. But you need to, yes, but you need to remember few commands. So the command will be mkdir and your file name, whatever it may be, 4 to 20 or whatever it may be. So okay, so this is basic. Yeah, I will get into somewhat deeper in the directory, so with another names and all. So yes, I'll do it now. So actually create an touch is used to create an empty file. Touch is used to create an empty file. For suppose, if you would like to create multiple files, so file 1 is there, you would like to create touch file, again same command, 2 till 20. So once you've done that, automatically 20 files will get generated and you can see on your desktop. So this is basic advantage. But whereas in GUI you have to perform multiple actions to create 20 files. So now you understand what is how to create a file and how to create a directory.